Hello everyone, this is Dr. Pradnya. Today again we are discussing with the similar topic to be on continuation of the yesterday's topic, which is the thyroid and the thyroid relation with the yogic science. So friends, today we will see that yesterday we discussed that the stress is closely associated with your thyroidism. So now we will discuss today with one point, which is uh, stress affects your thyroid function. When your body is stressed, your adrenal gland secretes cortisol. Cortisol is a secretion, one secretion which secretes from your adrenal gland. And basically when our body is in under stress level, so there are two types of stress. One is the temporary stress on a day to day lifestyle stress, and the second is the long term stress. So we will simultaneously or similarly we will discussing these all points with one by one videos. So today we are discussing the basic stress, like everyday stress. If the person is carrying the similar stress every day, so your adrenal gland secretes cortisol, and the cortisol, high level of thyroid gland, like thyroid stimulating hormone, raised level is associated with the raised cortisol level. Similarly, adrenal gland secretes epinephrine and norepinephrine. So, epinephrine and norepinephrine is also having a close relation with the high cortisol, and indirectly, the high cortisol level is having a close relation with the high thyroid stimulating hormone. So, how the stress is related with your thyroidism, or why people nowadays are suffering from thyroid gland dysfunction or hyperthyroidism or hypothyroidism. This is the relation. So cortisol level when gets high, indirectly your thyroid stimulating hormone level get high, or sometime it get hampered. Now how the meditation will help to release or reduce the level of cortisol. So indirectly, when your cortisol or stress hormone, which is epinephrine or norepinephrine, which is adrenal secretions. So whenever you are having stress, your heart rate, your blood pressure is get increased. Indirectly, it has the cortisol and epinephrine and norepinephrine has this function. Whenever you are having in a high stress, your blood pressure and heart rate will get increased. So meditation will help you to reduce the level of cortisol and control the epinephrine and norepinephrine. This is the relation between meditation and how meditation will help to balance your thyroid stimulating hormone. So everyday meditation, there are so many types of meditation. Any kind of meditation, 20 minutes to 1 hour, if you are doing every day, your cortisol, your adrenaline gland will get stimulated, and your cortisol level will get balanced. How? So meditation, the deep meditation has a power to release your serotonin or endorphin. Now serotonin and endorphin are again the secretions which are, we can say, which is happy hormones. And serotonin and endorphin level when get increased, so directly your stress hormones cortisol level will get balanced. This is the equation between the happy hormones and the stress hormones. So when you will increase your happy hormones level, so indirectly your stress hormone levels will get balanced. Cortisol has a many function in the human body, such as maintaining of your stress responses, regulating your metabolism, your immune function. So you can see the direct connection with the cortisol and with your immune system. So repetitive stress, the long time stress decreases or suppressing your immune system. And that is the reason, if we say the repetitive stress induced person is leading towards a compressed immune system, then the person has metabolic problems, then the person may suffer with the um, because of the glandular secretions dysfunction, as I said, metabolic dysfunction अगर होते हैं तो उससे बहुत सारी चीज़ें बनती हैं. So these are the relation with each other. So indirectly what the point is, if you want to balance your all these hormone glandular functions, stress hormones you need to balance and happy hormones you need to increase. So meditation under guidance of the person is really important every day to balance your such kind of factors inside the body. Thank you so much for watching this video, friends. If you are having more queries, you can connect me with my number. Thank you so much.